In this video, let's learn how to connect Azure Blob Storage. Azure is one of the storage options where you can store and manage files directly from Salesforce. Let's see how to set this up. To get started, create a new storage profile and select Azure as the storage type. Then provide a name, label, and description. Make sure the Active checkbox is enabled so the profile can be used. Next, go to the Configuration tab and click on Connection. This will redirect you to the Azure login page. Enter your credentials, and once authentication is complete, you will be redirected back to Salesforce. Enter the storage account name and container name. Click Next and configure additional details such as maximum file size, allowed file extensions, root path, versioning preferences, and whether this should be the default storage profile. Finally, click Save. In this way, you can connect Azure Blob Storage to Salesforce using docuWeaver.